I've changed the wing bracket, and there's a little one here I've changed, tiny one. Back there, sorry, the camera's not. And then I've changed this bit here. Just that bit. Slam panels just bolted on there. And the bumper bar is just literally slotted straight in. No problems whatsoever. No issues on that. So that is 100% straight. That probably went in easier than the other ones come out, if I'm honest. So I don't think she's bent. I'm having a little problem with this one here, just a little bit. I think she's just sat up a tiny bit there, because I can get the bolts in, but you've got to lift her up a little bit. But the other side is spot on. It goes straight in. A little update. We've got all the front ends on now. Got the 2 doors fitted. Lined up pretty well. These doors are really easy. It's literally one strap there and one bolt there and the plug, and they literally just come off. It took me about 10 minutes. So got to get the windscreen and the windscreen and the roof took out for that to get repaired properly. Having a bit of a hassle with windscreen people, but we'll get there. And get old airbag kit. That's the next job now. Alright, keep you updated, guys.